Hi, we're going to make some pretend snow. So it's not the kind that you might find if you lived in a cold climate like I do, that you could get outside, but this one is not cold. And it's made with shaving cream or shaving foam, as this says. And we're just gonna shake it up. This does have some water in it. Snow is normally made from the sky with water, but this one it's a soapy. I gotta shake it some more. Okay. Shake. So we're gonna put about the same amount of shaving cream and baking soda in. I had a measuring cup, but since I didn't measure that, I'll just eyeball it. And they said if you put about the same amount in, it will come out like snow. This is so soft. You go outside in the snow, it's soft too, but it will be like, oh, it's cold. You have to wear mittens and your hands get very cold. It's not like you see in the movies, right? I always think it's so funny, the people outside in the TV programs, that they are wearing hat and mittens and like a sweatshirt, but they don't look cold. It is very cold usually when there's snow. So different kinds of snow are outside too where I live. Sometimes it's very, very hard packed so that you can make a snowball with it. This one's not too. It'll make a little snowball, I guess. And sometimes it's very, very soft and it doesn't pack like a snowball. But I like it. It did work. So you add about the same amount of shaving cream and baking soda to your bucket in your bathroom or in your kitchen sink, or outside would be good, because this can be used to clean things too. So once you're done, you could clean the sink. I have some bunnies here so they can play in the snow. So you could get your creatures. Just make sure they're waterproof. They could go for a dip in the snow. Rabbits are outside sometimes too, outside my house. But I think they have more difficulty finding food in the snow because all of their vegetables and the grass that they eat get covered up by the snow. It's harder to find food for them, so that's why they have their burrows underneath the ground. I'm guessing that they save some of that down there. We could look that up, research that. I bet they do. So that's our snow for today. I like it. It's so soft, and it's good for a day when you're feeling kind of like you just don't want to get going. It's kind of like nice to touch something soft and play with it for a little bit. And maybe you can get going doing whatever you're supposed to be doing if you have something you're supposed to be doing. All right, little bunnies, let's get hopping. See ya. Have a good day.